The term G7 is used to describe the group of seven. This is a group of seven countries that have the largest and most advanced economies in the world, and they are the most industrialized nations in the world. The G7 summit is the annual meeting of the group of seven leaders, which is hosted by the G7 president for that year. The summit doesn't have any legal or political authority, but when these seven world leaders agree on something, the group has the power to shift the direction of global economic growth. The G7 member countries are France, Italy, Japan, Germany, United Kingdom, United States, and Canada. Initially, it was a group of six as Canada wasn't a part of it. The first summit was held at Rambouillet, France in 1975. Canada joined in 1976, making it the G7, and later, in 1997, Russia joined, making it the G8. In 2013, G8 became G7 because Russia invaded Crimea. The other G8 members excluded Russia as part of sanctions against it. In the summit, other important global leaders are invited, including representatives of the European Union, China, India, Mexico, and Brazil. The leaders of important international organizations are also invited, including the IMF, World Bank, and United Nations. This year, the 45th G7 summit was held on August the 24th to 26th in Biarritz in France. It focused on fighting income and gender inequality and protecting biodiversity. Our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, was personally invited by the French President Emmanuel Macron. As per the Ministry of External Affairs, the invitation from the French President was a reflection of personal chemistry between the two leaders and also a recognition of India as a major economic power.